welcome to my classroom. My name is LaTanya Redfern, aka Preschool Fanatic. This video today is going to be about shapes and how I did a small activity with my preschoolers in my multi-age classroom on learning two-dimensional shapes. So this shape that I was focusing on was the circle, or things that were round. And so what I did was I got 2 rings so that we can sort things that were round and things that were not round. And then I got items. I collected some items from my classroom that were round and items that were not round. And I put them in my mystery box, and I pulled out items when I first started. I pulled them out myself, and as a group, we kind of decided, is this round? Is it shaped like a circle, or is it not? And so once the kids told me what it was, or whether it was round or not, I placed it in the pile for the round items. And then I picked something else out of my box, and it wasn't round. And I said, well, is this round? Should this go with our round items or items that are not round or shaped like a circle? And they said, it's not round. And I said, you're correct. So I'm gonna put this in the pile with the items that are not round or shaped like a circle. So after I did that, I let each one of my kids come up, and they were able to pick something out of my mystery box, and they were able to say whether they thought the item would go with the items that were round or shaped like a circle, or the items that were not round and were not a circle. So they got to decide that, and I let them place the items wherever they thought that the items would go. So that was my small group activity one day this week, and I just wanted to share that with you. I am going to add a video of the children, my preschoolers, working on this activity with me. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. If you've done something like this before, let me know. If you have any ideas or suggestions for me, please let me know. As always, thanks for stopping by my channel. Have a playful day, and I hope to see you around my classroom again. Preschool teacher, preschool fanatic, I'm checking out. Bye-bye. What we're doing, we're putting things that are round here and things that aren't round over here. All right, so it's Sienna's turn. Sienna, come and see what you find. What is she going to find? She's going to tell us. I don't know. Do you think it's going to be round or not round? A cat. Should it go with the round items or the items that aren't round? It should go with the round items. Thank you. All right, Josiah, it's your turn. It's Josiah's turn. Where is Josiah's item going to go? What is he going to pick? Is it going to be round or not round? We don't know. He's looking. What is he going to find? What did you find? A cat. Where should it go? Is it round or not? Not. Where would you put it, Josiah? It's round. It's round. It goes with the round item. All right, Isaac, it's your turn. What are you going to find, and where would it go? Is it going to be round or not round? We don't know until he pulls it out. What is it going to be? What did you get?
A book.
Oh, he got a book. Is that round or not round?
Book.
Where would it go? Would it
round.
go with the round items or the not round items? Oh, it would go with the not round items. Nolan, it's your turn if you would like to pick from the box. All right. What is Nolan gonna get? What is Nolan gonna get? He's gonna pick. What did you pick? What did Nolan pick, everybody?
Ow.
He's searching. He's looking. Nolan picked. What did he pick? What is that? It's called a domino. Oh, it's Nolan's turn. We call it a domino. Where should it go? Is it a round item or a not round item?
No.
Sean, you're going to be next. Where are you going to put that? Do you think it's round or not round?
Not round.
Nolan, what do you think? Oh, he says the dots on here are round. He is correct. The dots on here are round. Thank you. You have a marker. Is it a round item or not? Should it go here or here?
Here.
You think it should go here?
Yeah.
Should the marker go here with the round items?
Yeah. No.
No, I don't think it should go with the round items. Where should it go, Sean?
Right here.
It should go over here with the items that are not round.
No, not there.
It's Brandon's turn. Are Brandon going to pick an item? Let's see. What is Brandon picking?
No.
What is Brandon picking? What is Brandon picking? I think he's going to pick something up. What do you have?
Round.
Is it round or not? Where should it go?
Round.
Where should it go?
Big block.
Is it round or not? Where should it go? Brandon, do you know where it should go? Should you put it here or there? Where should it go?
Right here.
Where are you going to put it? Where is it going to go? Here or here?
Look, here.
Do you need us to help you? Where should Brandon's item go?
Here.
It should go with the round things. Can you please put it with the round things?
Right here.
Right here.
Right
Thank you.
here.
All right, thank you. Okay, let's go back. Let me see what I have left in here. I'm checking the items. I'm checking the items. And I have, what do I have? Should the button go here with the round items or should it go over here with the non-round
Right
items?
here.
It should go. You think it should go here? We're gonna put it here with the round items. Let me see. I got something else so I hear it. I have a stick. Should it go with the round items or the non-round
Right
items?
here.
Right where? With the non-round items? Does anybody think that's where it should go?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna put it with the non-round items. All right, that's it. Thank you. Oh, you have a rock. Where should your rock go? Where should your rock go? With it should.